This is how you're going to buy Elementor Pro. Step 1 is you're going to go to elementor.com, and then from here you're going to click on pricing at the top of your screen. Now from the pricing section, it's going to show you all of the plans that you currently have. So you have here your two choices, either hosting for WordPress or hosting for WooCommerce. So let's start with hosting for WordPress. So you have here several plans that you can choose. Like let's just go back to hosting for WordPress, and again you have here several plans that you can choose. Like you have four. For example, you have here your host cloud, which is priced at $8.99. You have here host cloud plus, which is priced at $14.99 per month. Your host cloud times 3, which is priced at $24.99 per month, and you have your enterprise, which is customizable. Now if you want to buy any of these, you want to buy a pro version, you're just going to click on buy now, and then from here you're going to settle the payment. So you're gonna have to create an account, and then you're going to enter your payment details, and then you're going to complete your purchase. So make sure that you have your card currently available at checkout so that you can look at it for reference. Like you can enter your card number and then your plan that you want to avail. So here you also have your billing address that you have to fill out, like your first name, last name, and then the email to receive invoices, and then country and region for address 1 and address 2, as well as the city, postal zip code, company name, and then your tax ID. So make sure that you have all of those ready, and then you're just going to have to get on continue, and then from there you're just going to choose a payment method, and that's it. You now have an Elementor Pro. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.